Good afternoon. I'm coming at you with a video on how to do a simple mail merge out of a spreadsheet in Google and through Gmail. So no messing around with any plugins or anything other than copying the spreadsheet that's going to be in the link below, and I'm going to show you in just a second, and creating a template in a certain way inside of Gmail. So let's get this started. The first thing that I'm going to do is show you the spreadsheet. So this one's been modified just a little bit because there was some information I wanted to put in here that wasn't easy to collate. But the spreadsheet is just that. It's a simple spreadsheet. There's an app script that gets copied over, and it creates this menu up here called Mail Merge. What you need to do is in the first three columns, you have to put the first name and the last name of the person that you're emailing, as well as their email address in the column called recipient. Then you can add or delete as many columns as you want next that contain all of the pieces of unique information that you want included in your email. And finally, there's a column at the end called email sent, and you need to make sure that one stays put and doesn't get messed with. Your column headings, so image and greeting are the two that I've modified, and then first name, last name, and recipient are the what you're going to use to call that information into your email. So let me show you how to do that and what I'm talking about. Here we go. All right, so the first thing that you have to do is create a template. I've got a template here that I've created. It says Happy Holidays. That's my subject line, which is important. Good afternoon. You're getting this email because I'm creating a tutorial on how to do a simple mail merge. Enjoy the fun greeting below. So let's say I wanted to make sure that the person that I'm sending this to, I want to greet them personally. So good afternoon and then the name of the person. What I'm going to do is type 2 curly braces for open, and then I'm going to put the text exactly as it is in the first name column on my spreadsheet. And then close the 2 curly braces. So now it says good afternoon, first name, and that's going to get replaced with whatever's in the line. You're getting this email because I'm creating a tutorial. Enjoy the fun greeting below. So the greeting, I'm going to do the curly braces again. R-E-D-I-N-G. And then the other thing that was in there was an image. Now, let's go back and take a look at my spreadsheet here. Make sure I've got greeting. Image is what I called this one. Now, because this is a link, it's just going to put the link in. It's not actually going to put a picture into the page. There might be a way to do that. I haven't explored how to make that happen yet. So I'm going to minimize this and come back here. Do my curly braces. Paste it in. And then that's it. So I'm just going to save this draft by minimizing or closing out of it. I'm going to copy my subject line before I do that, though, even though it's just happy holidays. I want to make sure. So I come back to my spreadsheet, and I need to put some information in here. So I'm going to send this to the science department. So I have them from my info list here. I'm going to come back in here and just paste that information in. Copy the email addresses. And then the greetings, I just had ChatGPT come up with some funny science-based greetings. And I'm just going to paste those in and delete the extra ones, call that good. And then pretty much I'm good to go. I'm going to come up to Mail Merge and click Send Emails. The first time that you do this, it's going to pop up and ask you to authorize the script. Pretty simple. Here is where you put the subject line of your draft. So I'm going to come in here. If you don't know what I just did, I did Windows and V, and it brings a clipboard history up. So happy holidays, and I'm going to click OK. And it's going to say running script. It's going to take a second or two. And now it says email sent, and it gives me those dates. If I come into my email again and come into my sent section, You can see I have sent a happy holidays email to all of the people in the science department. So I hope this is useful to you. I know it's was super easy or useful for me when I was sending out the feedback that I graded for the senior research papers. So either way, if I don't see any of you again before the end of the year, happy holidays, and hope this helps you out in some way. Have a good one.